Hey, look at your suit. You've been taking bullets, charging it up with kinetic energy.
Pull around the truck. Where'd he go?
Show off.
So Marvel Studios released a clip entitled Kinetic Energy from the upcoming Black Panther movie, where we see Black Panther's sister Shuri tell him, "Your suit has been getting hit by bullets, charging it up with kinetic energy." Black Panther then proceeds to jump on the car of his enemies who had been firing bullets at him and discharges a shockwave, which is accompanied by violet light, which causes the car of his enemies to flip over. So in the fictional Marvel universe, Vibranium is the fictional element which facilitates the absorption, conversion, storage, and discharge of energy. However, in reality, there are certain parts of what we observe in the clip that can be analyzed scientifically so that we may be able to engineer a similar form of energy conversion wearable technology. So for starters, there are a few terms and concepts that we have to go over in order to explain the process. First and foremost, we have to understand that sound is a form of mechanical energy, which is caused by a vibration or movement of particles through a medium, either solid, liquid, gas, or plasma. So understanding that sound is mechanical energy, next we need to understand that mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy of an object, that is, the energy associated with the position and motion of an object. Next, we need to know that a capacitor is an electrical component that stores potential energy in an electric field. Thunder and lightning are the result of natural phenomena, which are examples of how capacitors work. As particles in the air and clouds vibrate, move, and rub up against each other, a negative charge builds up at the bottom of the clouds relative to the positive charge on the Earth's surface. As the difference between negative and positive charge between the clouds and the ground builds up, it becomes so great that it will have to eventually discharge to balance the difference, producing a flash of lightning and a clap of thunder. Lastly, we need to know that a transducer is a device which converts one form of energy to another. So solar panels are a transducer which convert light into electricity through the photoelectric effect, and thermocouples are a transducer which convert heat into electricity through the thermoelectric effect. A speaker is a type of transducer that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy or sound, and in terms of the conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy, you have a microphone which converts mechanical energy or sound into electrical signals. You have a generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical power, and you also have piezoelectric transducers like quartz crystals which convert vibrations into electrical signals. So if we wanted to engineer some form of wearable technology that would function like Black Panther's vibranium suit in the clip, we would have to have an outer layer of bulletproof material, either Kevlar or graphene, to absorb the kinetic energy from the bullets. Under that layer of bulletproof material, we would have to have a layer of piezoelectric transducers to convert the vibrations from the bulletproof material into electricity. Under that layer of piezoelectric transducers, we would have to have a layer of capacitors connected in parallel to store the electrical energy produced by the piezoelectric transducers. And lastly, we would have to have a button, switch, or trigger located near the hand that, when activated, would discharge the stored electricity, producing an electrostatic discharge and zap sound like lightning and thunder. Now, this setup would also likely build up energy through the vibrations that would come from being punched or also just walking. Your daily motions, those daily vibrations would also cause a buildup of energy. But in reality, I doubt if this would be powerful enough to flip over a car, but it may be strong enough to temporarily incapacitate your adversary like a taser or a stun gun. But I like the idea of being able to redirect the harmful energy of your enemy back at them. Redirect that harmful energy back at the person who sent it out. But I guess Black Panther's fictional energy transduction suit may spark the divergent thinking in the creative mind of an inventor who may one day engineer a device like this into reality.